Are you ready to try a hand embroidery project? One of the first things you need to do when you're preparing a hand embroidery project is prepare your hoop. So we need to make sure the fabric that we're going to be stitching is nice and secure within our embroidery hoop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to load your fabric into your embroidery hoop so that you can stitch with ease. Loading our embroidery hoop properly will set us up for success because the fabric will be less likely to warp, pucker, or tuck as we're stitching. So if you're ready, let's get started. To get started, start by unscrewing the hoop. You may be able to loosen it by hand, but otherwise use a screwdriver to turn the metal screw. Once unscrewed, you will see there is an inner hoop and an outer hoop. Place the inner hoop on your work surface and set the outer hoop aside for the moment. Place your piece of fabric that's going to be embroidered on top of the inner hoop. Center it as best you can. Place the outer hoop over your piece of fabric and the inner hoop. Adjust the fabric panel as needed if it's shifted, and if it feels too snug to adjust, go ahead and loosen that screw just a little bit more so you can pull the fabric from side to side, up and back, until you're happy with the placement. Once everything is centered and in place, tighten that screw. Occasionally gently tug the edges of the fabric so it stays nice and taut. Use the screwdriver to tighten down and secure that hoop to keep the fabric in place and to maintain that tautness as you stitch. Remember, turn to the left to loosen it and turn to the right to make it tight. This will help prevent puckers and tucks as you are stitching your hand embroidery project. You can even tap the center of the fabric to see if it's nice and taut, and it shouldn't loosen or pucker as you tap it. That's how you know you got it just right. Awesome. We've loaded our embroidery hoop, which means we're one step closer to getting our project started. If you're looking for more beginner embroidery tutorials, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get even more embroidery how-tos. I'll see you next time.